Student, today we are learn an important topics under estimating and costing. What is standard cost? Standard cost is the predetermined cost of a regular manufacturing process, of a routine manufacturing process for standard operations that does not change over time. As actual performance is easily comparable with predetermined standard, it enables the management to control the wastage of material and labor. Standard costs are predetermined costs associated with manufacturing cost of direct material, direct labor and manufacturing overhead of a company. Manufacturing overhead means indirect manufacturing cost. Standard cost does not take into consideration any excess or unutilized amount of money on the activity. Standard costs are not flexible, but this may require slightly modification if sudden variation in manufacturing cost or any change in production method when occurs. Okay,